What happens if you slam a garage door dowel rod onto a piece of 3D printed PETG plastic? Let's find out! Yeah, if these were on top of a like 10-foot ladder, and that's about the same thickness as your skull, they would completely kill ya. Yeah. Now here's a piece of construction board. Yeah, that can totally kill ya. Now for a paint bucket. Permanent dent. Another permanent dent. Let's try and hit that place again. Let's try hitting it upside down. I think I'm just having too much fun doing this. Yeah, these things are not to be messed with when falling off a 10-foot ladder. And here's a bit of a funny story, or a shocking story. When I was working on this big garage door, I was moving the ladder, or a 10-foot ladder, from right around there and was scooching it closer to the opener side, and I wasn't aware that there were garage door pry bars up there, and one fell and landed on the step of the ladder and almost hit my head, meaning that I could have died while working on this door. So yeah, let this be a lesson to all you people who want to work on your own garage door without having to spend hundreds on workers. Yeah. And I forgot to tell you, this is a 12-foot door. That's an 8-foot door right there. And another 8-foot door over there. Yep.